to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. In today's video, I decided I have some it's right here. I have some Hello Kitty mail that I'm going to open. Well, it's only one package, but still. I don't know what else to record, so why not just open a package on camera? And I've been waiting for this package. So I'm so excited because this is something I've been wanting since I first saw it on their website. So I'm so excited to open it with you all. I have another package arriving, so I'm hoping I can make another video similar to this one, so that way I can post 2 videos this week because I did miss last week. My apologies. I didn't know what to record. Well, actually, I do have some outfits I need to put together for my March lookbook, and yeah, I don't know, I had to post that soon. I need to record it and post it. But anyways, this package, look at it. Hello Kitty mail. I'm so excited. It's from the brand Ouch. I ordered something from them. If you don't know, I love Ouch. I love their stuff so much. They have cute clothes. And their stuff is like handmade. A lot of their stuff is handmade. Like, for example, this shirt I'm wearing is from Ouch, and the jacket I am wearing is from Ouch. Y'all seen this jacket multiple times. It's from Ouch. You can find them on, you can just look up their brand. Honestly, I found them through Instagram like years ago. But it's literally Ouch. And look at their packaging. This is my first time seeing their packaging like this. And it's so cute. It has Hello Kitty on it with like little bows. Can y'all see that? And then it just has their brand. Ouch. Like, look at that. This is so cute. So why not just open it? I'm going to try to take my time and open it. I don't want to mess up the packaging because I want to record a TikTok video of this. So yeah, I'm going to try to open it nicely. I should have just got some scissors. It would have been easier that way. Hold up, I'm gonna get some scissors. All right, I got my scissors to open the package. The other side doesn't have this design on it. It just has my address. So of course I'm not gonna be showing that. Hold up. All right. Can y'all see? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. So cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. Just look at it. I'm so excited. So I ordered this dress. It's a dress for my birthday. I wanted to take some birthday pictures. Not professional, but birthday pictures like outside. Like, I have like a whole image in my head. I don't know if I'm gonna actually do that yet because there's some stuff that I want to order before I do that. But like, my birthday is literally the beginning of April. It's April 6th, so I don't have much time. I'm running low on time. Look at this. Okay. So all this stuff normally come in like this Ouch reusable bag. I still have my old ones that I reuse. That's something I love. Like, I reuse these bags. I don't know what this is. Normally they give out like little free stuff, but I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna open it and see what it is. Oh, these are like little elastic straps, but it's so like, I don't know how to explain it. It's pretty much like so you won't be able to see, kind of like your bra strap, but it's like very like, it's clear so you won't be able to see it. You know what I'm saying? Which is kind of crazy because I needed something like this. So I'm glad for that. Got those for free. Because this is a tube top dress. Oh my God. It's heavy. So this is their little tag. Oh my God. I got it in a size small and medium, which I'm kind of scared. I'm like, I don't know if I should have got large and extra large. I probably should have got that instead because my chest is really big. So I'm scared, but oh my god. This looks so small. I'm gonna have to try it on. I'm gonna have to try it on, but it looks so tiny. I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit this. But it's made so nicely. Like, look at the inside. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it has like a little pink bow in the middle with like little lace. And then the print is this, I don't know if this is plaid or gingham. I don't really be knowing the difference. But it's that type of like print. And then it has bows on it with Hello Kitty. And like the dress part is just like little poofed up. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm kind of scared, honestly, because it's so small. Like this looked more like a small than a medium. But I'm so scared. So I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it on right now. I'm just gonna do a full view of how the dress looks. Okay, y'all, so I just got done trying on the dress. I feel like a princess. Like, I really feel like a princess in this dress, and I know that's probably being extra, but I love this dress so much. I really do feel like a princess. Like, it's so cute. Like, I feel like a little princess ballerina doll in this dress. So I did figure out the invisible, they're not invisible, but you know, the clear straps. So you do have like these built-in like little white thingies that you put these little straps through the front and the back, and that's how you do this. And I'm so glad these were free and they put these in here, because I was worried about like how I was gonna wear this dress, because I don't have a strapless bra. So I was like, how am I gonna do this? Because I'm somebody who needs a bra. Like, I need a bra, even though you don't need a bra with this on, because I don't, like, look, I don't have one on and it looks perfectly fine because I got the straps. And so it holds this up and it holds everything in place. This sounds like a sponsored video. It's not. I just really love this dress and I love this brand. But yeah, it's like, look. I love the silhouette of this dress. It's so cute to me. It does show the outline of my stomach, but I'm fine with that. 10 out of 10 for this dress. If you are an adult, I recommend, or a teenager to work, I recommend this dress a lot. This is such a cute dress. It's so cute. The pink little bow with like the lace. And I was scared. I was scared at the medium because it's small medium. That's how the sizing is. So it's small and medium all in one. So if you wear small, you'll buy this. If you wear medium, you'll buy this one. So I was kind of scared that it wasn't going to fit me, but it fits perfectly fine. Oh, I should say this brand, I think, I don't want to get it wrong. I'm not too sure. I think the brand is from Hong Kong or China. I'm gonna have to put it on the screen. I really forgot. I'm fiddling around in this bag and something else is in here. So I'm gonna like see what else is in here. Oh my god. Wait, I thought the straps were the freebie. Look how cute. It's a Hello Kitty scrunchie. Like, look. Oh my god, it can be as a bracelet. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. So they included this Hello Kitty scrunchie in my order for free. It's so cute. The shipping on this was quite fast, honestly. Their shipping is always fast to me, unless you do like a pre-order. But yeah, I'm so glad I got this dress. I've been wanting this dress since I first saw it on their website. I'm so glad. When I first saw this dress, I was like, this is me. This is a dress? That will be me if I was a dress. Like the pink bow, the lace, the Hello Kitty with the pink bows on it. Like, oh my god. And they also have a variety of these type of dresses now. They have like a blue version. It doesn't look like this. It's a different pattern. They also have another pink one with a different pattern on it. And they have a white one that's like, I think it has this Hello Kitty on it, like the little baby Hello Kitty. And I want all of them. After seeing this dress, I want all of them. Because it's so cute. It's so cute. Then the free scrunchie, like, oh my god, yes. So like I said, I wanted to take pictures for my birthday, just like in my backyard. I was gonna like do like a little lay down. I have this pink satin, like, I don't even know what it is, fabric or something. I was gonna lay it down. It's big enough to lay down. It's like a cover. No, a sheet. It's like a sheet. So I was gonna lay it down and like do some pictures that way. And so yeah, I had some stuff that I still needed to get. Honestly, I don't need to get it. I want to get it. Some shoes was the main focus on what I wanted to get. I wanted to get some pink shoes, but I have these ballerina shoes. Why I say it like that? Ballerina shoes. And I paired it with this outfit. And I don't know if it goes. Does these shoes go with the outfit? Do y'all like them with the outfit? Because honestly, I'm thinking I actually kind of like them with the outfit. So I'm like, I don't need to get shoes, which is a good thing. But I'm like, does it go? I was kind of worried like it didn't really match, especially like this. But honestly, the silhouette of this dress is kind of like princessy ballerina to me. So I think these go perfectly. So do y'all like them with this outfit? I think I'm just gonna keep these and not get no new shoes. So what else I wanted? Oh, I wanted a bow. I wanted a bow for, I was gonna have braids in my head. I'm supposed to have braids in my head. I gotta get that done. So I wanted a bow. Another concern was some tights that I wanted. I have these, as you can see. Ew, y'all don't need to see my toes. But I have these with like pearls and bows. I kind of don't want them for the pictures because low-key, well, two problems. They have holes in them now because they're so thin. And the second problem, they make me look ashy. Like, these tights are not for darker people because they kind of make you look like you are ashy a little bit because it has like a little whiteness to it. So I'm thinking about just getting some regular old thigh highs with the pink bows. I had those before. The bows came off and the thigh highs ripped. So I'm thinking about getting those again. I want that. I want the bow, like I said. I was thinking about either getting bracelets or like arm cuffs. I don't know which one I want to get yet. And I want blush. I need some new blush because my blush is not blush. It doesn't look good on me. I want some dolly blush. Like, I want to look like a doll. That is my goal. So I'm gonna get some blush and what else? Just some other things. I was thinking about like a necklace, like a little crown necklace. I just want to get a whole bunch of like little random stuff that I don't know, I might get today. I might order today and hopefully arrive on time. Who knows? Because like I said, my birthday is early April. It's the 6th of April, April 6th. So who knows? Your girl is turning 21. Do I look it? Do I look 21 to you? Probably not. But I love this dress so much. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Hold up. Perfect, because I feel like a princess. I need the crown. I feel like a princess. This is such a cute dress. It's so cute. Okay, enough of me saying how cute this dress is. Because this video is like, how is this video 19 minutes long and I only opened one thing? But yeah, I think this is such a cute little dress. It's so cute. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, that was it for this video. Oh yeah, I was probably gonna pair it up with this bag, but now I'm thinking, I don't know yet. I might do my other bag that I got arriving in the mail, which you guys will be seeing. Who knows when. Oh my god, like look. Just 2 dolls. Just 2 dolls. Just 2 dolls chilling out. Yeah, okay, that was it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. I can't force you guys to do any of that, but I would greatly appreciate it if you do. So yeah, bye.